What's up, YouTube? We back in the house. In the house.
In the house.
So today we're gonna share with you guys from day one all the way up to now our house update progress.
So today, we had the contractor come in and help us get started with our recessed lighting. So, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what we've been doing today. As you can see, this mess behind me, they started working on the ceiling, the ground floor. You can see the brand new light switch that's there. But yeah, recessed lighting in the bottom floor. Woohoo! We're gonna go upstairs real quick and take a look at the other rooms that they finished earlier today. Boom, baby! Son, I love the job that they've done in this room. Got our little lights going on. I'm so satisfied with this. Like, I'm excited. I am excited. So this was the bathroom. This is the way our shower was looking before. And you know, that was the only way that it was lit. It was from these vanity lights over the sink. But now we have a nice little recessed light for the shower. As you can see, it looks a lot better. So, you know. Oh, look at that there. Hey, what up, y'all? What's good with you? I'm crazy. Don't worry about me. It's coming along, man. It's coming along. So they'll be back tomorrow. They're done for today. They'll be back tomorrow to continue putting these lights in. We'll put some over our dining room. We'll put some in our hallways. You know, placing the lighting in here because that joint is old. But not only that, they're gonna help us out with replacing this dinosaur thermostat. You see how old this joint is, y'all? Goodness gracious. But man, the home improvement is in full effect. Guys, stay tuned to all of the fun that we are having and all the things that we are doing.
All right, so a lot has changed since day one, and I wanna take you guys through our living space first. So first off, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the walls. We painted this entire house, minus the basement. We had to keep a little blue in there, you know, just a little bit. And we went with a polar bear white, so it was more of like a warmer tone because of the recessed lighting that we have all throughout the house. As you guys can see, major difference, okay? All the lighting in here is just amazing, chef's kiss. So we're gonna go ahead and head into the kitchen, and King is gonna tell y'all all the upgrades and updates that we made so far. There's still some more to come, so much more in store.
What's up, y'all? So check out all this new lighting in our kitchen. I am so excited. Like, you don't understand. Lighting is everything to me. As a videographer, we got our little chandelier here. Over here, we got our little pendant lights hanging over the island. And we also have our recessed lighting throughout the whole kitchen. But if you see back there, we got ourselves a new appliance. We got a brand new GE stove and microwave. And this joint is beautiful. Woo! That joint is hot. Man, I'm so excited. We still got some painting to do in here, and we still got to find who robbed us of our dishwasher.
I will find you, and I will kill you.
But you know, it's a work in progress, but man, we making moves. I'm really excited to see the finished product, and I just can't wait to see how this house turns out. So let's go check out downstairs. As Shar said before, can you hear me? But yeah, man, we got some new lighting down in the basement, and I'm loving it.
Ooh, I'm loving it. Yeah!
Come on, look at this. This is just great. The whole room looks different compared to last time we were down here. Like, I'm excited for what's to come down here. Like, I'm gonna be building my studio. I'm gonna have my computers going. I'm gonna have my desk. I'm gonna have my cameras down here. It's gonna look like a whole new spot down here. And stay tuned because I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm getting. So if you wanna build your own studio, you can.
All right, so we are upstairs in the guest bedroom / my office, and we started the painting, which we're almost there, it's almost done. And we have, of course, the recessed lighting, which we absolutely love, that y'all are gonna definitely hear more and more about that because we absolutely love the lighting. So let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. So in here, it's still a work in progress. Painting still needs to be done. We do have a new feature, which I've always wanted this, where you have the lighting in the shower. Amazing. So as you can see, we are still in the process of painting the master bedroom, but it's coming along quite well. Let's go ahead and head on into the master bath. All right, so I have a budget-friendly house hack for y'all. Instead of taking out or replacing your toilet, if you can, what we did was we took the seat out, replaced that, so fresh seat, and then we also changed out the lever to add just some more like modern house vibes, okay? So we're trying to decide which color, like white, we want to paint the bathroom. And we need y'all's help. So let us know. This is the polar bear white, or we could just do like white, extra white and glossy. So let us know which one you guys are thinking in the comments and which one we should go with.
And that brings us to the end of our home update. Man, we got so much stuff going on in here.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know what time it is.
And stay tuned for more home improvement with King and Shar.
All right, y'all. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.